prevent your skin through bleaching, right? Don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can repay it today because a subscriber asked. That's why I always say, put your questions if you have any skin concerns. Put them in the comment section. I'll reply. Now, this subscriber was like, please, I got my burnt skin repaired. Hang in there. Especially face because I was on carotene and collagen plus vitamin E serum. I walk sex me to work outdoors. Please help. Thanks. So this is how if, I think she made a mistake in the first line, but I think she was trying to say that her skin got burnt because she was reading carotene and collagen and vitamin E serum and like the combo of everything got her skin burnt. And I think she was not pairing it with any sunscreen. So like let's just get that out of the way. And today this video is specifically for the subscriber, but to everybody that you're dealing with bleached skin, your skin has gotten burnt and you're trying to repair it, this video is specifically for you. So make sure you listen very well, subscribe, please like this video. It's going to help the algorithm to push it out to people that are dealing with this issue, but maybe they can find this video because this video is going to be very insightful. Now let's just dive right into it. And the first thing you need to know, not every skin spoiler, not every skin discoloration is bleaching. Bleaching looks like this, bleaching looks like this. But not every skin is other, so you be very careful. Not body that you see that your skin is not looking other is bleaching. And some people actually do not bleach on purpose. I keep trying to say this because some people they just saw a lotion and everybody was talking about the lotion and they just went in there and they used the lotion without doing a patch test. And this lotion like burns their skin. Actives in this lotion is just too active for them and it burns their skin. Maybe you're somebody that just like this subscriber, she works outdoors, her skin is constantly exposed to the sun and she's using like retinol. Retinol is going to burn your face. I can tell you, I don't know if I'm going to put this picture because it's a bit somehow, but add. There was a time that I applied retinol like 2 nights ago, and I was outside with PPE and all that, and like my face was really exposed to the sun. I came back tanned, like my face was tanned. You could see that it was tanned. It wasn't that I was that, but that's the kind of thing that can get you burnt. So very carefully when you talk to people. You don't really know how that person's skin got to that extent. But if a skin is in that extent, let me tell you, the first thing you need to do, the first thing that you need to do, the number one thing you need to do is stop using whatever products got you in that condition. That's like the most important. If you keep touching the stove, you're going to get burnt, right? So to it, just avoid that. The first number one thing that you need to do, drop that carotene, drop whatever lotion that is. It doesn't matter because there's some lotions that will be good for this person's skin and this person tries it and it burns them, or this person tries it and the whatever ingredients that it's in that lotion does not really work for their skin. So if you know that this lotion is not working for you, it's causing you this harm, stop using it. Some of it because you feel like you're lightening it up, even if you're bleaching or do you have discolorations or your neck is darker or it's just destroying your skin, you will not stop using it because you feel like you're getting light, but stop. Just stop using that first of all. And now the second thing, this is also a preventive measure. Before you start using any lotion, before you start using any product on your skin, please do a patch test. I preach this every time. Always do a patch test. I have a video on it which I'm going to link in this video. Always do a patch test. This will help to save you from a lot of trouble. Do it in your laps, do it behind your ears, do it here underneath the spot of your body. Just due to places that are hitting your body for you to know whether okay my skin will tolerate this body lotion. You cannot start using it. There's no hurry. You get what you want, but always make sure that you do a patch test first of all. Now after you've stopped using this body lotion, I want you to first of all know in your mind that you're definitely going to get back. Like you're going to go back to the default factory setting. So for you to go back to that setting, you're going to get plain moisturizers for me. Very plain moisturizers. I'm talking CeraVe's moisturizer. I'm talking Vaseline. I'm talking very plain moisturizers. It's a few moisturizers that will just hydrate and do only hydrating and repair. Hydrating and repair. Let them not contain any AHA, no PHA, no retinol because your skin is most likely already thinned out. That's the thing with bleaching your skin. If your skin is already bleached, it's most likely already thinned out. So you don't want to apply any AHA to you fully repair your skin. So you're going to take that time and just be moisturizing your skin. Get normal body soaps, very normal body soaps that will just cleanse your skin. Or get body washes that are just moisturizing and just cleanse your skin like Dove, like Palmolive, those type of body washes that just cleans your skin plainly. Apply this body moisturizer. So you already know that you going back to be applying these body moisturizers, you're definitely going to get back from where you were. But that's okay because you can safely lighten your skin when you're ready. Like lightening your skin, I will never judge anybody for that, but you can safely do that without bleaching Just now give yourself 3 to 6 months and focus on body lotions that contain 3 ingredients: ceramides, peptides, squalane, and an extra hyaluronic acid. Look for body lotions that contain it. And let me also tell you, sometimes most of these bleaching body lotions have hidden bleaching agents in it. Like it's not them to just put hydroquinone that we already know. You see hydroquinone and you're like, okay, no, this is a bleaching lotion. Hydroquinone is good if the percentage is like maybe like 2%, but once you start getting to like 10%, 8%, it's already too much. You understand? So if you're not seeing hydroquinone, you say, oh no, I can't use this, or I can't use this body lotion. So they will put it into different like they will put it in other names that will confuse. So look out for these names. You see the names I'm listing on the screen? Look out for these names. If you're seeing these names in that body lotion, don't buy it. Do not purchase that body lotion because it's going to bleach you and your skin might not tolerate. So another product you're going to get from me is shea butter. You're going to get shea butter. You're going to get palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil is also a game changer. If you can tolerate the smell of palm kernel oil, you will use palm kernel oil for babies. You will see babies like if you see babies that they're using palm kernel oil for inable we call it umdake. You know, on their skin, you see their skin like always shining, always moisturized, and you don't see that baby. If that baby is not a fair baby, that baby will not be fair. The thing that will happen to that baby's skin is that you see it moisturized, you see the baby's skin actually shining. So if you can lay your hands on good palm kernel or you switch to it, or if you cannot see that, start using shea butter, start using plain Vaseline. Also, get body oils like jojoba oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and also baby oils. Sending baby oils are the game changer. Let me just tell you, the first thing like you switching from using that body lotion that is causing that habit is already like if you stop using a body lotion that is bleaching you in like 3 weeks, you already like that's like the main important thing. You already see your skin changing. Now if you're not switched to using plain body moisturizers and as you're using them, you're incorporating this body oils into them. Your body will start healing on its own. Now, you still need to be very patient with this process because the amount of time that you've spent bleaching your skin is directly proportional to the healing process. So you're not going to expect that if you've been bleaching your skin for like 3 years, you want your skin to repair in 3 months. It's not going to work like that, but within 3 months, you're going to see a difference. And I always say you can always lighten your skin after you're done healing your skin. Now you see baby oils. There's Kissan oil, there's Baby Johnson, there's Pierce baby oil. You can use any of them and it will take time to help to heal your skin. The way that they take care of a baby's skin, that's how your skin be treated because at this point your skin is very fragile and very vulnerable to different things. So you're just going to need to do repair. That's where you're going to focus on repair. And this make sure you're listing these ingredients and these ingredients I'm telling you right now actually repair your skin. Another thing that you need to this is very important and that's sunscreen. You need sunscreen. Like you're going to need sunscreen very well because you're going to need to protect your skin during this process. This is the time that reapplying your sunscreen is a must. You're going to apply your sunscreen. Get a good sunscreen that has up to 50% SPF, that has up to 50% XPF, and use them on your skin. Protect your skin. Try to reduce the sun exposure. If you're going to be working outside, wear hats, wear face caps, always wear I don't know. The weather is hot right now in Nigeria, so there is nobody to actually try to cover up their bodies. Might just be a big deal, but just try your best to like cover up your body. Just try to cover up your body. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, make sure you like it. Make sure you're subscribed. If you have any questions, any skin concern, if something I said is not clear to you, ask a question down here in the comment section and I'll reply you. I'll explain it more for you, maybe in a video or down there in the comment section. Let's just converse. Also, how did you heal your bleach skin? Or have you ever tried bleaching? Like, why do people actually bleach? Like, is it a form of insecurity or is it a way that you just feel like this actually made you more beautiful? I would really like. Now, before I go, it takes the skin cells 30 days to regenerate. So it's not going to be a 1 week thing. It's not going to be a 2 weeks thing. But with time, the skin is going to heal itself and it will get better.